Are you ready to turn the AI revolution into real income? Because today, I am going to reveal 7 AI business ideas you can start today in the UK or the USA in 2026. These are teach small side hustles. You're looking at businesses that can generate serious revenue. And one of these could realistically earn you over $3,000 a month if you implement it correctly. Stick with me, because the last idea is a hidden gem most people completely overlook. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you want to stay ahead in 2026's AI business boom, you need these insights delivered straight to you. #1 AI-powered social media management. Think about this. Businesses are desperate to stay relevant online, but managing social media is time-consuming and often frustrating. That's where you come in with AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and platforms such as Buffer or Later let you create engaging posts, captions, and graphics in minutes. You can offer a complete social media management service to local businesses, startups, or even online brands. Here is the strategy. You position yourself as the person who saves them time and grows their audience while you automate the heavy lifting. Most clients are happy to pay $300, $1,000 per month for this service. Startup costs are practically zero, just a laptop, internet, and a few AI subscriptions. Once you land 3 to 5 clients, you're already looking at a stable income. The best part? You can operate this from home or even while traveling, giving you total freedom. Number A, AI content creation and copywriting. If words are your thing, AI content tools are about to become your best friend. Jasper, AI, Writesonic, and Copy. AI can generate blog posts, product descriptions, email campaigns, and even YouTube scripts. Businesses are desperate for high-quality content, and most don't have the time to create it themselves. Here's how to make it profitable. Offer packages where you handle content creation entirely with AI assistance. For example, a package could include 10 blog posts a month, social media content, and email sequences, all generated with AI but polished by you. Clients in the USA and UK are willing to pay $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on the complexity and volume. This business scales easily. Once you have a few steady clients, you can even hire freelancers to expand your capacity. #3 AI-powered chatbots for local businesses. Customer service never sleeps, but small businesses often can't afford 24/7 staff. That's where our AI chatbots come in. Platforms like ManyChat or Tidio allow you to build intelligent chatbots that can answer fax, book appointments, or even process orders automatically. You can position this as a service. Design, implement, and maintain chatbots for local businesses like dentists, gyms, or restaurants. Most clients pay $200, $500 per month for chatbot maintenance. Once you get a few clients, you'll notice this business runs almost on autopilot, giving you recurring income with very little ongoing work. The demand is huge, and the barrier to entry is low, perfect for someone just starting in 2026. Number 4, AI design and print-on-demand products. Here's where things get exciting. Imagine selling custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases, all created by AI without ever touching inventory. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can generate unique, eye-catching designs in seconds. Combine that with platforms like Printful or Printify, which handle production and shipping, and you have a fully automated business model. The beauty of this model is twofold. 0 upfront inventory costs. You only pay when a customer orders, so there's minimal financial risk. High profit margins. Depending on your niche, profit margins can easily exceed 70%. Here's a smart approach. Pick a specific niche like motivational quotes for students, gaming merchandise, or AI-inspired art and target ads on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. With consistent promotion, you can start earning a few $100s a week in the first month. scaling to thousands as you refine your designs and marketing. The demand in the USA and UK is massive because people love personalized, creative products, and AI allows you to produce them faster than any human designer. And unlike traditional businesses, you're not limited by geography. Your customers can be anywhere in the world. Hash5 AI-driven SEO and marketing consulting SEO is tricky and time-consuming, but businesses that rank high on Google are making serious money. AI tools are transforming this field. Platforms like ChatGPT, Surfer SEO, and Jasper. AI can generate optimized content, keyword strategies, meta descriptions, and even competitor analysis in minutes. Here's how to turn this into a business. Step 1. Identify small businesses or e-commerce stores struggling with online visibility. Step 2. Offer a service where you analyze their website, suggest improvements, and create content with AI support. Step 3. Include a marketing strategy package with recommendations for ads, social media, and email campaigns, all streamlined using AI. Clients are willing to pay anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on the package and results. The real advantage? This business scales incredibly well. You can manage multiple clients without increasing workload significantly because AI does most of the repetitive work. Imagine helping a local online store move from page 5 to page 1 on Google, or helping a small consultancy triple their leads. The transformation you deliver is tangible, and businesses will happily pay for results. At this point, you might be thinking, this is amazing, but what about the next ideas? Are they even more lucrative? Well, you're in luck. Ideas number 6 and number 7 are where the big hidden opportunities are. One of them has the potential to earn more than $3,000 per month with very low investment, and most people completely miss it. Offer this as a monthly service, delivering ready-to-contact leads for businesses looking to grow quickly. Clients are willing to pay $500 to $2,000 per month for consistent, high-quality leads. Once you have a system in place, you can scale it with very little extra work, creating a semi-passive income stream that can run for years. And here's the key. Unlike most AI side hustles, this business targets other businesses, not individuals. B2B services often pay more, and contracts tend to last longer. The combination of automation and high-value clients makes this one of the most lucrative ideas in 2026. So, there you have it, 7 AI business ideas you can start today. Whether you choose social media management, AI content creation, chatbots, print on demand, SEO consulting, personalized tutoring, or niche lead generation, there's real money to be made. The important part is to pick one, start small, and scale gradually. Don't try to do all 7 at once. Focus, take action, and iterate. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these AI business ideas are you starting first? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's start a conversation. And if you know someone who wants to start a profitable side hustle in 2026, share this video with them. They'll thank you later. Remember, AI isn't just the future, it's the present, and early adopters who act today will have the biggest advantage. Start small, use these tools wisely, and watch how quickly your ideas turn into real income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more actionable, high-profit business ideas you can start from home in 2026.